Hey everybody, we hope you enjoyed our Flag Day video that we posted. We just felt like it was something we needed to post for the greatest nation in the world. We just wanted to remind everybody, if you fly the flag, fly it proudly. We're out on the beach today, and we're starting some training for an event that we're going to be doing in a couple of months. And
today's the 4th of July.
Yeah, happy 4th of July, by the way. It's a great Independence Day. But we are going to be starting some training here, and we're going to kind of take you along. We're not going to tell you what we're doing yet, but we're going to be working out hard for the next couple of months and kind of getting things in gear, and something that's going to be real exciting for us, and we're just looking forward to it. So we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll just post some clips as we go along. Look at her hiking with her fashionable hat. I think fashionable is a word, isn't it? Must be out on a relaxing little walk today. So we made it to the beach, and it looks like now everybody in North Carolina has Shaboomys. How cool is that? It goes all the way back down the other way toward the pier. All the way down. It's crazy. Not only are we training for an event, but we're just taking in the absolute beauty of the day also. What a gorgeous day down here on the Crystal Coast. I can tell you, we're wearing these backpacks. That doesn't mean we're training for some kind of skydiving event. In fact, I can tell you we will never train for one of those or ever do that. That's not on my bucket list. So you just kind of scratch that off. We're not skydiving.
Yeah, I don't think you would actually train for skydiving anyway.
Yeah, high altitude. But anyway, we're going to sign off for now, and we will see you guys again soon. Until next time, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you really like it, subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate that. See you soon.